Hello friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored 53 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama is it in a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this short video, I talk about negotiation skills. Negotiation skills are very much required in every part of life. It's an integral part of life. It's an integral part of life leadership. And soft skills are related to negotiation skills. Negotiation skills are one of the soft skills. And when you look at some of the leaders like Theodore Roosevelt, Nelson Mandela, Henry Kissinger, Warren Buffett, they are powerful negotiators. They created value and made a difference in the lives of others. And when you want to succeed in negotiations, you have to be very creative, you have to be very curious, you have to listen from all the stakeholders, and you have to look at the strengths and weaknesses, and it requires a lot of patience. When you look at Nelson Mandela, he was very patient. He was jailed for around 3 decades. He negotiated successfully. So you have to learn from all these leaders is that you have to go for empathetic listening. You have to listen carefully and so that you can bring a change. Let me share with my challenge. I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. The message from this short video is very simple and straight. Negotiation is a marathon, not a sprint, and create value and build a better world and make peace so that we can live in a peaceful world. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.